Feeling trapped in a coder's world is frustrating for talented designers like you. What if there's a solution? Webydo emerges as a game-changing cloud-based platform, bridging the gap between design and development. Imagine designing beautifully engaging websites without the anxiety of coding intricacies weighing you down. Founded in 2012, Webydo empowers designers to create responsive HTML5 websites code-free, revolutionizing your workflow. With its user-friendly design management system, you can manipulate layouts visually, just like in Photoshop or InDesign. Automation becomes your ally here. Webydo handles coding, letting you concentrate solely on your artistic vision. The built-in content management system allows your clients to independently update content, saving you time and effort. Responsive design is key today. Webydo ensures your creations look stellar on any device, enhancing user experience. Unique features like interactive 3D model integration elevate your web designs, making them engaging and immersive. Ready to break free from coding and transform your web design approach? Discover the power of Webydo today.